Hi, I'm Lindsay Daniels with Beckman's Real Estate, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to 861 Angel Point Road, where luxury meets tranquility. Let me show you around. This exquisite new lakeside estate offers 5,033 square feet of opulent living space, featuring 5 spacious bedrooms and 6.5 baths. The home is thoughtfully crafted with 2 office spaces, a gym area, and 2 convenient laundry areas to meet all your needs. The custom wine cellar with a capacity for 500 bottles add a touch of unparalleled luxury to this magnificent home. Seamless indoor-outdoor living space, accentuated by a 23-foot sliding door, make this home perfect for both serene relaxation and grand entertainment. The lower level features a large bonus area with wet bar and continued indoor-outdoor living space. Nestled on over an acre of prime lakeside property, offering 191 feet of Flathead Lake frontage. The estate includes a covered dock with 2 boat lifts, 2 jet ski lifts, and 2 swim ladders, offering endless opportunities for water recreation. Confident that this luxurious listing will surpass your highest expectations. Please reach out to schedule a private showing. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you discover your Montana dream home.